What's up, YouTube? I'm Matt. I'm a full-time wannabe. My channel is basically about me going from the house, getting into my custom cargo camper I built, and hitting the road. Pretty excited today. You know, I did a video on these little LED lights. I mean, they're awesome. Look, I mean, they're bright as can be. They dim. They got 3 settings. They're USB chargeable. These things are awesome. Magnetic. You can stick them to, you know, to the metal or whatever. Problem is they don't last long at all. I mean, you'll get an hour, you'll get 2 hours of good, strong light with it. And then it just starts going dim. I mean, that's it. You're not going all night with this. That's for sure. And I bought 2 of these. That's $40 for 2 of them. Cheap China crap. So, granted, these are pretty cool though. You know, if I just want something quick, maybe an hour, you know, just to have it, that's pretty cool. I mean, I don't know if I'll ever use them now, but maybe. But what I'm excited about was I got a new set of puck lights, and I cut the holes. Luckily, when I did the build, I already ran wire from the 12-volt little mini fuse box, and I ran a wire all the way to the kitchen, and I just left it up there in case in the future I wanted to add recessed lighting or some other type of lighting over the kitchen in case these weren't good enough. And granted, these were good enough. If you're just using, you just kick it on and you can do some cooking, great. Then you shut it off when you're done, no problem, start charging it. I want something a little more reliable, so let's just check it out. I mean, there ain't much to tell you about. I mean, it's all pretty simple. Now, here's my kitchen, and this is what I did. I put 3 nice puck lights in there. And I put a little toggle switch. And it was a little tricky to figure out how to wire them. You had to actually wire each positive together to the switch, all of them. So you have one positive coming in, and the positive would go to the switch, and then from the switch, it had to go to each individual puck. And then you had all the negatives go to a central point of all the negatives went, and then that connected to the switch and went to the power source. So, but they work great. I mean, it's super bright. I couldn't get that thing to really snap up in there. But, I mean, it's not going anywhere. But they work. Nice and bright. Let me tell you, I am so stoked on this right now. Because now it lights up everything. I can see everything on there now. The sink's all cluttered. I was traveling with it. But, let me tell you, them little LED puck lights, I mean, they're just awesome. I don't know why that thing doesn't light up. There it goes. Well, kind of does. Whoa. Why does that thing keep popping? And this thing keeps popping like something is connecting. And I'm curious if it's that. Something tells me it's that. And there ain't a whole lot of stuff left to that. It looks like I'm going to have to see if I can fix that real quick. Alright, so that's what it was. See the light switch coming on? Now it's lighting up. So all I had to do, oh sorry, let me, oh, it's turning music on when I'm working. All I had to do is just recut that feed and put a new one on there. And now it's on there nice. So that's it. Pretty simple. 3 puck lights, 12 volt. Boy, that's a lot of light. I'm loving it. I'm Matt, and I'm a full-time wannabe. Like and subscribe.